Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fancy. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. In today's video, we are going to cook turmeric rice. So with me, I have finely chopped onions. I have a bay leaf. I also have garlic. I grated the garlic. I have salt to taste. We have salt to taste. We have turmeric and garam masala powder. I have dhania freshly chopped. I also have green peas that I pre-boiled. And lastly, I have my 1 cup rice, which I washed and soaked for about 20 minutes. So in a pot, I'm going to add oil, then add in the onions, saute that for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to go in with my garlic. We're going to give that a stir for about 1 minute, then go in with the spices. Remember to check the full list of ingredients in the description box. We're going to give that a stir until the onions are golden brown. At this point, I'm just going to add the rice. Mix the rice with the spices and the onions until everything is nicely incorporated. Let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, then add water. I added 2 cups of water because I used 1 cup of rice. Don't forget to add salt, so we add salt to taste. And guys, you can use any rice you have. May I use the basmati long grain. So yeah, you can use any rice. So after we've added water, I'm just going to mix everything together, cover and let it cook on low heat for about 8 minutes. Then I'm going to go in with my green peas. Mix everything nicely, then cover it again so that the rice can fully cook. So at this point, the rice is ready. I'm just going to garnish it with some freshly chopped dhania, and it will be ready to eat. The rice turned out so good. I love the taste. The smell was awesome. I hope you try this recipe. If you do so, remember to share in the comment section. Until the next one, bye.